So we are using methodologies CNN and RNN, and we are using libraries, that is OpenCV, TensorFlow, Keras, Tkinter, and MediaPipe. And we are using Dataset for 1.22 GB, and there will be 89,000 images. So the sign language is visual language used by the people with the speech and hearing disabilities for communication in their daily conversation activities. So it is completely an optical communication language through its native grammar, be unlike fundamentally from that of oral languages. So in this research paper presented as an optimal approach whose major objective is to accomplish the transliteration of the 24 static sign language alphabets and number of the American Sign Language into humanoid or machine decipherable English manuscript. Okay, so let's see. This is the dataset folder. Okay, and this is the training folder. So we are using from A to Z images. Okay, we train the model on that particular dataset. Okay, like we have 3000 images of particular A alphabet. Okay, and like that we have 3000 images for B alphabet. Okay, let's see. Okay, same like that for Z also, that we are using 3000 images for the Z images, Z alphabet. So let's see, and this is the images which we are using for the UI. Okay, this is the home page, and this is the loading page. Okay, so let's see, and this is the main file. This is for the music that will pronounce the alphabet, and this is for the detection code, and this is for the graph code. So this is the requirement file which we are using the libraries. Okay, so we have to install all those libraries according to their version, and this is the loss accuracy graph. Okay, so let's run the code. Okay, this is the loading window, and this is the home page. Now if we click on the About project, then we'll show the description of the project, and let's click on home page. Okay, then About Us. You can enter your team member name here. Okay, just click on the home page. Now let's see for the live streaming. Okay, so model will load, and
C.
it will pronounce the letter
C.
and we can also add that
C.
character.
C. 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 J.
Let's give another character. Let's give character for the M. Okay, like that.
M. 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 M.
Okay, give another character.
X. 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 I. M. 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 S. 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 F. S. S S S.
Okay, like that. So we can also remove the characters. Just click on the remove button. Okay, so that's the project, complete project. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe our channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.